Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Fluent English Academy. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for choosing to learn English with me. Today's lesson is simple, important, and very useful for daily English. Today, we are going to learn possessive adjectives. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can watch earlier grammar lessons and basic English videos on this channel. Those lessons will help you build a strong foundation. Before we start the lesson, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow and reach more learners. Now let us begin the lesson slowly and clearly. First, let us understand what possessive adjectives are. Possessive adjectives show ownership. They tell us who something belongs to. Possessive adjectives always come before a noun. They never come alone. The possessive adjectives in English are the following: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Now let us learn each one with clear examples. My is used to show something belongs to me. My book is on the table. My phone is new. My English is improving. Your is used to show something belongs to you. Your bag is here. Your idea is good. Your pronunciation is clear. His is used for a male person. His car is very fast. His brother lives here. His teacher is kind. Her is used for a female person. Her house is beautiful. Her name is Anna. Her English is very good. Its is used for things and animals. The cat is sleeping in its bed. The company changed its logo. The phone lost its battery. Our is used for something that belongs to us. Our class starts at 9. Our teacher is friendly. Our English lessons are helpful. Their is used for something that belongs to them. Their house is big. Their children are happy. Their plans are interesting. Now, let us talk about sentence structure. The basic structure is very simple. Possessive adjective comes first. Then the noun comes next. For example, my book, her bag, their house, our lesson. Now, let us see full sentences. My book is on the desk. Your keys are on the table. His job is interesting. Her friends are kind. Its tail is long. Our lesson is easy. Their teacher is helpful. Please pause here. Repeat these sentences out loud. Now let us compare possessive adjectives and subject pronouns. I have a book. This is my book. She has a bag. This is her bag. They have a house. This is their house. Possessive adjectives are not the same as pronouns. They always need a noun after them. Now let us practice more real-life sentences. I like my English class. You should bring your notebook. He forgot his wallet. She loves her job. The dog is eating its food. We are proud of our progress. They shared their ideas. If this lesson is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Now let us practice with longer sentences. My goal is to speak English confidently. Your effort will help you improve. His pronunciation is getting better every day. Her motivation is very strong. Its color is very bright. Our channel helps many learners. Their support means a lot. Please pause again and repeat these sentences slowly. If you are new to this channel, remember you can watch earlier grammar lessons to review basic topics and learn faster. Now let us review today's lesson. Possessive adjectives show ownership. They come before a noun. They never stand alone. They are used in daily English. You are doing a great job. Learning grammar becomes easy with practice. Before we finish, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel continue. Thank you very much for learning English with me today. Keep practicing every day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning lesson. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with me. Today, we are learning adjectives. This lesson is easy and very important. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can watch previous grammar lessons on this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow. Now, let us begin. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They give more information about people, things, or places. Adjectives can describe size, they can describe color, they can describe feelings, they can describe quality. Here are some adjectives: big, small, fast, slow, happy, sad, new, old. Now, listen to these sentences. The house is big. The room is small. The car is fast. The internet is slow. She is happy. He is sad. This phone is new. That building is old. Now, let us learn how to use adjectives in sentences. Adjectives can come before a noun. A big house. A small room. A fast car. A happy child. Examples: I live in a big house. She has a small room. He drives a fast car. The happy child is smiling. Now, let us talk about feelings. Happy, excited, tired, angry, relaxed. Examples: I am happy today. She is excited about the trip. He is tired after work. They are angry about the delay. We feel relaxed now. Now let us talk about appearance. Tall, short, beautiful, handsome, young, old. Examples: he is tall. She is short. The city is beautiful. He is handsome. She is young. The man is old. Now, remember this important rule. Adjectives do not change. They stay the same for one or many nouns. Example: one big house, two big houses, one small bag, three small bags. Now listen to more real sentences. I have a new job. She wears a red dress. He lives in a quiet place. They bought a comfortable sofa. We had a long day. The lesson is easy. You are doing very well. Practice makes learning easy. If you are new here, watch older lessons on this channel. They will help you learn faster. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing English every day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Fluent English Academy. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for choosing this channel to learn English. Today, we are learning comparative and superlative adjectives. This lesson is very important and very useful. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can watch previous grammar lessons on this channel. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this channel grow. Now let us begin. Adjectives describe people, things, or places. Comparative adjectives compare two things. Superlative adjectives compare three or more things. Now let us start with comparative adjectives. We use comparative adjectives to show difference between two things. For short adjectives, we add ER. Examples: tall becomes taller. Fast becomes faster. Small becomes smaller. Cold becomes colder. Now listen to these sentences. My house is bigger than your house. This car is faster than that car. Today is colder than yesterday. She is taller than her sister. Now let us learn the structure. Subject plus verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus object. Examples: this book is cheaper than that book. My phone is newer than his phone. English is easier than math. Now let us talk about long adjectives. For long adjectives, we use more. Beautiful becomes more beautiful. Interesting becomes more interesting. Expensive becomes more expensive. Examples: this city is more beautiful than that city. This movie is more interesting than the last one. My bag is more expensive than yours. Now let us practice more. Life is better with good friends. Today is busier than yesterday. This exercise is harder than the last one. Learning English is more exciting than before. Now let us talk about superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to compare 3 or more things. For short adjectives, we add est. Tall becomes tallest. Fast becomes fastest. Small becomes smallest. Examples: he is the tallest student in the class. This is the fastest car in the world. That is the smallest room in the house. Now let us learn the structure. Subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective. Examples: she is the smartest student in the class. This is the coldest day of the year. He is the oldest person here. Now let us talk about long adjectives with superlatives. For long adjectives, we use most. Beautiful becomes most beautiful. Interesting becomes most interesting. Important becomes most important. Examples: she is the most beautiful girl in the room. This is the most interesting lesson today. English is the most important language for travel. Now listen carefully. Good becomes better and best. Bad becomes worse and worst. Far becomes farther and farthest. Examples: today is better than yesterday. This is the best day of my life. This problem is worse than the last one. That was the worst mistake. You are doing great. Keep listening and keep practicing. If you are new here, check the older grammar lessons on this channel. They will help you learn step by step. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share this lesson with your friends. Thank you for learning with me today. I am proud of you. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Fluent English Academy. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for learning English with me. Today we are learning adjective clause. This lesson is very important and very useful. If you are new to this channel, welcome. You can watch previous grammar lessons on this channel anytime. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps this channel grow. Now, let us begin. An adjective clause is a group of words. It describes a noun. It gives more information about a person, a thing, or a place. An adjective clause usually comes after the noun. Now listen carefully. I have a friend who lives in Canada. The words who lives in Canada describe the noun friend. That is an adjective clause. Adjective clauses often start with these words: who, which, that, whose, where, when. Now, let us learn one by one. We use who for people. Examples: she is the teacher who helps me a lot. I know a man who works at the hospital. He is the boy who won the prize. Now, let us learn the structure. Noun plus who plus verb plus information. Examples: the girl who sings well is my sister. The man who drives that car is my uncle. Now, let us practice more. I met a woman who speaks 3 languages. He is a student who studies very hard. She is someone who always smiles. Great job. Keep listening. Now, let us talk about which. We use which for things. Examples: this is the book which I like the most. I bought a phone which is very expensive. She has a bag which looks new. Structure: noun plus which plus verb plus information. Examples: the movie which we watched was interesting. The house which they built is very big. Now, let us talk about that. We can use that for people and things. Examples: she is the girl that I told you about. This is the car that he bought yesterday. I like the food that he made. That is very common in spoken English. Now, let us learn whose. We use whose to show possession. Examples: he is the man whose car is red. She is the girl whose phone is broken. I know a family whose house is very old. Now, let us talk about where. We use where for places. Examples: this is the city where I was born. That is the restaurant where we met. I remember the place where we played. Now, let us talk about when. We use when for time. Examples: I remember the day when I met you. That was the year when I learned English. Do you remember the time when we studied together? Now, let us practice with more sentences. She has a job that makes her happy. I like people who are honest. This is the school where I studied. He remembers the day when he moved here. I met a man whose brother is a doctor. You are doing very well. Keep going. If you are new to this channel, please check the previous grammar lessons. They will help you understand English step by step. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this lesson with your friends. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I am proud of your progress. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.